What is the mortgage stress test? If you're shopping for a mortgage in Alberta, you've probably heard of the stress test. It may sound intimidating, but the mortgage stress test is essentially a safeguard against interest rates that could make your mortgage unaffordable in the future. The stress test is essentially a federal lending requirement that determines if you're going to be able to afford your mortgage if the interest rates go up in the future. At renewal time, it might not get the interest rate that you have now, and this safeguard prevents you from financial hardship. There's two different ways to calculate the mortgage stress test. The first one is your approved mortgage rate plus 2%. The second one is the current qualifying rate set by federal regulators. Whichever of the two is the highest is the one they're going to use to determine your stress test. Although your personal monthly payment is going to be based on your approval with your lender, because you have to do the stress test, you might qualify for a smaller mortgage than without it. So why is there a mortgage stress test? Well, it was implemented to encourage responsible borrowing. Like I said before, interest rates can go up at renewal time. And if your income isn't growing as fast as the interest rates, it could make it hard to afford your mortgage. The mortgage stress test attempts to mitigate that. Even though you might ultimately end up qualifying for a smaller mortgage than what you wanted, the stress test is an important part of the mortgage system in Alberta. If you're asking these kinds of questions, you're already doing the right thing. There's lots of information for you on my website, but better yet, give me a call. I'd be happy to answer any mortgage questions that you have. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching.